a drugs gang who set up a fake healthcare company using encrypted phones to ensure they could continue to run their empire during the COVID pandemic, have been put before the courts to face justice. The Blackpool crime group grew cannabis as well as dealt drugs during the COVID 2020 lockdown, and even set up the bogus company to justify its members breaking restrictions. But they were caught after police spotted kingpin Kurt Bradshaw, 30, behaving suspiciously when they pulled up behind his Volkswagen Scirocco in Blackpool on the 1st of May 2020. The vehicle was searched and a large amount of cannabis was found in bin liners. Members of the gang have now been jailed for a total of more than 70 years. DI Kirsty Wyatt of West CID said this was a sophisticated criminal network whose only goal was to flood the west of our county with illegal drugs for their own greed. Not only did they use encrypted phones to try and avoid detection, they also went to the extreme lengths of setting up a fake healthcare company in a bid to stop their dealers being arrested and searched for being out without a valid excuse during the COVID pandemic. After stopping Bradshaw, police searched his home in Thornton, Cleveleys, and found 2 tubs filled with cannabis alongside $25,000 worth of cannabis in his bedroom. Also living in the house where Jack Pope, Kynan Dowes, and Kurt Bradshaw and brother Craig Hollis. Hollis initially denied having anything to do with the drugs and instead pointed the finger at his sibling. Lancashire police arrested all 4 men, later charging them with conspiracy to provide cocaine after their DNA was found on the packaged drugs. After seizing Bradshaw's phone, police found he was using an encrypted handset to run his drugs empire. Drug dealing related messages were found between Bradshaw and his drug runners, who included his fiancée, Tina Sullivan, who was saved as the Queen. Sullivan was found to have moved cash for the gang, including $110,000 on one occasion between Lancashire and Wolverhampton. Another major player in the organised crime group, Nicole Watson, was arrested and charged after communications between her and Bradshaw were also found on his phone. Watson, 32, set up and ran drug dealing rotas, discussed what denominations of the cash the group should accept, and organised for the dealers to receive documents in their names for the fake company, Rainbow Care Ltd, set up to get around COVID-19 restrictions. Other gang members were arrested following forensic evidence and communications between them and Bradshaw. All have since been found guilty of conspiracy to provide cocaine, with 11 of the 12 members sentenced. Only 1 member avoided time in prison and instead received a community notice, while the other 10 received jail terms between 4 and 12 years. D.I. Wyatt added, "I welcome the sentences handed down to each of the defendants which reflect their roles in this conspiracy." Please like this video, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my crime channel. Thank you.